Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just going to jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
Could I never forget where me come from? No matter what me do, me a Jamaican.
Gary, I tell me, say, teacher say, you know, I give a killer for nobody. So me I say, that him I say. Then we hear one song now. Grandspin, if you say I want to flex him, long time predator sex him.
Vietnam, I got X.
Say what that? So me have a song, me have to rush him now, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, serious allegation that, you know. Them catching me at the hotel with two man, Rhino and Jeffrey, the tattoo one. I get a gun from Russia when new brand, when it bust in a face, it take up a Cuban.
But so coming up in today's video, well basically, you remember Predator, yeah, dancehall artist Predator. Mad, sick, head no good, mad, sick, head no good, yeah man, the same Predator the people. You see me I say? Well right now, we have dancehall artist Predator, big up VYBZ KARTEL, you see me I say? And basically, I share a little history between him and Cartel, you see me I say? And people, I have the video and I want to check it out, you see me I say? And then you confirm if we Predator really, I say, if it's facts or you don't know. Him just get over himself, ahead of himself. You see me as a people? Well, basically, Predator talk about, basically the time when VYBZ KARTEL and the Alliance then did in a heated confrontation. You see me I say? Yeah, and I remember VYBZ KARTEL, they push out a tune, basically him say, what do them, me no know, what do them, what, you understand? Yeah, basically, in that tune, they don't know VYBZ KARTEL, they fire some shots at Predator. You see me I say, when basically VYBZ KARTEL say, I want to flex him. Long time Predator. You understand people, I have to say the rest because I don't know how the YouTube restriction go, but I know say I know that tune there. You see me I say, so basically Predator come and share a little history about that tune there. You see me I say, and Predator say, basically when him and VYBZ KARTEL did good and baiting, you see me I say, and when VYBZ KARTEL push out that tune there, it make him head chip a certain way where him did have to put out a tune to, you see me I say. And basically, well, we know say back in them time the Predator thing did kind of water down. Still as a dancehall artist, a VYBZ KARTEL and Movada, they really carry the swing, Gaza and Gully, you see me I say. And really and truly people, Predator say, after VYBZ KARTEL send out that tune there, the tune where him push out after, he must say when VYBZ KARTEL hear that tune, the VYBZ KARTEL have to look him to himself, you see me I say, and he must say basically VYBZ KARTEL buck him one day, you see me I say, and VYBZ KARTEL I said to him, say, you see that tune there, me never gonna respond to that tune there to wear that tune there bad because it's like Predator bring up a particular part where like the dog I say, he would have jump over a tree wall and reach over a big yard over Gary, you see me I say, and basically that's a VYBZ KARTEL used to hang out every day, you see me I say, and he must make the people them know say, VYBZ KARTEL, I tell him say, at the end of the day, him would have never respond to that tune because from him say that him know say Predator a stepper, you see me I say, and Predator a big up VYBZ KARTEL to see him when I say, him can never take them on the glory because more time, even when time them go check Bounty Killer and Bounty Killer no really depend the ends from them say VYBZ KARTEL good, so them did know say greatness from them time, you see me? But people here, me no want to chat out the whole thing, you see me I say, me I go make you check out the video for yourself and you can drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section about this situation, you see me I say, yeah, and confirm it if we're Predator really I say a true or you understand because there is people out there who know they know. You see me I say, so here are people, check out the video.
You were also still a part of the alliance when Cartel decide to step.
Yeah.
And one whole heap of something up.
Yeah, him step now and me still see him Manningsville Road around a Gary Exodus studio, or the Gaza studio bill. And I always link him. But Gary I tell me, say, teacher say, you know I give a killer for nobody. So me I say, that him I say, alright, I allow him then. And I see him text it from Bling Dog and the whole of them, but he never diss me.
Now, in one song, man.
Hold on, I tell you.
Yeah, okay.
He never diss me,
Yeah.
so I just stay and hold my hands. And stay and say, alright. Then, we hear one song now. Grand Prince, if you say I want to flex him. Long time predator sex him.
Vietnam, I got
I say, what that? So, I have a song, I have to rush him now.
Yeah.
Yeah, serious allegation that, Yeah, man, I have to rush him now. So I have a song now. I have to attack him now with a song now. I want the cartel and him illusion. I call man fag when I'm not true, man. I want the cartel and him illusion. Him have shorty, a true pan. Me not afraid of no man, me no bling dog. Big up Grand Spend to come man to big yard. When me go up a family pride and jump 3 yard, you dead and your friend them round there and give a big dog. So my voice that song they on $1,900,000 ready, me no feed them ready, me no. Me just send feet, Cause you know we have link, And voice the song on it,
Yeah.
You see me? You see me? So him drop the song now. Cartel listen to the song. So Cartel listen to the song and say, see me up on Manning's Road and call me. Forward, Mark! So I say, what am I deal with? So, I say, Mark, God know, so me hear you sing a song and me not answer it. So the man I say, wait, shorty, wait. Me not talk that part there. You not afraid of no man, me no bling dog. Big up Grand Spend to come and to big yard. When me go up a family pride and jump 3 yard, you dead and your friend, I say you're proud,
But about 3 years between family pride and big yard between, because there's a gas station between
the
us. So.
Forward out there and look up the avenue and count it and tell me say I 8 yard. But if I say 8 yard, it will sound too much.
Yeah,
so I say no, I can forward further down the road, and beside the supermarket, and jump the wall, and jump the next wall, and jump the next
reach a big yard.
And reach right over Gary.
True,
Up on Kirk Avenue. Right
over. All of them places, right?
I have a security run at the back of the yard. Him can't move, Because you tell me, say the padlock on the gate can't save me. That's the padlock on the front.
Yeah.
If me answer the song there, him tell me, say, him nah answer it. So right now, I don't want to answer it. Because I'm going to say, them catching me at the hotel with 2 man. Rhino and Jeffrey, the tattoo one. I get a gun from Russia when new brand, when it bust in the face, it take up a Cuban. So I saw him tell Rhino, say, love it, don't even answer, Mark.
Yeah.
You see me? But Cartel, great youth.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So I saw that did Peter out.
Yeah, a great youth. And I have no respect I take off him thing. Him respect, grill up. Bad artist. And when we used to check the killer, and we not see him, and we see Addy, we're alright. So I must be one of the man them in the music.
Yeah.
That.
So now people, basically I want to tell me what you think about what Predator say, right? You see me I say, because him say, yo, Rhino did go send out a tune off of him in a them time there. You see me I say, and basically teacher tell him say, yo, no, you can't do that. You see me? Cause rate. But basically maybe I just true, you don't know the teacher rate Predator. You see me I say differently or something. But me know say definitely I never fear the teacher, fear Predator or fearful for Rhino go up against Predator. You see me I say Predator kinda I made it that way there, you see me I say, but you don't know VYBZ KARTEL, you don't know, I know say couple people good to beat me for this while most people are gonna agree, but VYBZ KARTEL are definitely better artists than Predator, you see me I say, Predator can't match the man lyrically, not there, you see me I say. Yeah, and basically in them time they when Predator talk, yeah, basically Predator ain't go on with nothing. You see me I say Predator thing did wash out, you see me I say. A VYBZ KARTEL and Movada them did really carry the swing and you don't know, Gully and Gaza overall. You see me I say people. But here I want to drop on the honest thoughts down into the comment section what you really think about all of this. You see me I say people. But coming up in this other video now people, well basically we have Pretty Dan right here, a Bash Valiant, you see me I say, and basically Pretty Dan a Bash Valiant say yo Valiant rate Bobsy Grace Classic. You see me I say we all know Pretty Dan and know where Pretty Dan is off. You see me I say people, and really and truly is like Valiant got a particular party him and Pablo YG them. You see me I say, and basically the pants of Valiant are where it's like you know them long time woman palaver there and really you see me I say, so Pretty Dan I say yo Bobsy Grace closet Valiant raid and baiting, and I say, yo, Valiant look like a little girl child now that baiting people. You see me, I say, you can see the picture right now on the screen. You see me, I say, but here, I'm not going to talk about the thing. I just going to make you check out the video for yourself, and you can drop an honest opinion down into the comment section. You see me, people?
Jesus Christ, Valiant! Where you gone in a bumbo club, Babsy Grange, Nick has gone to? Eh? Paul said one time he see you in a that Nick has. Paul said, Jesus Christ, you go read Babsy closet. Where you go in a Babsy Grange closet, got to call them the gone in a dance hall. Warm to this, Valiant. Warm to this. This not hard. You go in a, look how Pablo then looks side of you. Jesus Christ. You look like the only bitch in I picture me, Jay. You come up for it, go lose yourself, brother. You see, pre? Who no come here? Who no see their clothes them when nobody no like for wear, bro? Who no take them up on yourself, bad man? You, bro, take up this blood clot, big old careless knickers. Bella's knickers. A long time I don't see one blood clot, Bella's knickers. Normally knickers, they are neat. Titan with the little cut right here, so Jesus Christ. The man come out brawling in our knickers. We lose our identity as a people. That is not us. We is not that. One time me grew up and could see dog them and see teach up on a stage and no say, oh yeah, cartel that. Go out on the ground, say dog them look. Clean. Bud clocks. Bud shirt. Jewelry hard. You drip like a girl draws when she see you. You see it, Prima G? Hot. You see it? No one time you look at the culture where we are run down. Where we are going to blouse and skirt, Rupert. Where the bumbo club you are going to knickers. We are bitches. No, we man start wanna dress like a girl. Yes, Valiant, you look like a girl, pit me. You look like a girl child. You look like a nice little girl, pit me. You look like somebody's daughter. Jesus Christ. I wish, girl, I have no address like that. Someone to get blood clot clown out by them gel pitney, I know. Them gel pitney are ras on no head, father. You not get clot in no bumbo clotted. No. No, no. Me bumbo clot. Me disappointed in you. Jesus Christ. Lumber. Lumber, me tell you what your blood clot look like. You look like one fucking lumber. In that knickers there. Go give back Babsy Grange in clothes. Babsy Grange, I put on clothes for you, bro. It don't look good. You can't dress like your auntie, father. When me see you, you look like an auntie bitch. You look like somebody grand aunt. I mean, bro, with the bad manism in a Jamaica gone. Well, we had no hot again. No, we are skettled to bumbo clad. Well, we lose off for you, brother.
So people, I want to tell me the truth. What do you really think about what Pretty Donna say, right? To see, as I say, because for me personally, well, really and truly still, I don't really like the punch that Valiant a beat still, and me who no beat it still, as I say. But basically, every man have their own style, as I say. Me will like one thing and the next man will like the other, as I say. And really and truly, Pretty Donna for just kind of low off of the artist name still, as I say. But I don't know, yo, come like, yo, Valiant, yo, you shouldn't beat that, bro, you see me? Yeah, I don't really like the pants there still. The pants they really look like one of them long time days woman pants there still. You see me I say, but you don't know. Big up Valiant said because you know a bad artist same speed. You see me I say, and most of them little style are some little style where wash over foreign and be a thing, some little dear thing. You see me I say, where you don't know, nobody not really too weird. You see me I say, and as what I said before, me would have never wear it, but maybe a next man would have do it. You see me I say, and basically, yo, me don't even want to style about it, but Pretty Donna for just love the artist. You see me I say? You don't know, big up Valiant said we, you see me Valiant away artist to see him way. You see me I say, and People, I want to tell me what you think about all of this. You see me, I say, I never go comment further. I want you to comment down into the comment section and share your honest opinion about all of this. You see me, I say, and basically share your honest opinion about all of the video. You see me, I say, yeah, make we hear what I say, because really and truly we love that. You see me, I say, also remember to give this video a like, because it really help the YouTube algorithm and really help YouTube to really send up the video to you don't know individuals like you see me I say, and you don't know much love and respect to all of us to same way for sticking around with Flava Media Entertainment TV. You see me I say. So as what I said before, subscribe to the channel, yeah, like the video, turn on the post notification, yeah, and you don't know how we do it over here. You see me? Peace, love, unity, big up, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.